maths class, and today we'll do surface area and volume of solids. So the concept we are going to learn in this chapters are lateral surface area and total surface area of cuboid and cube, volume of cuboid and cube, curved surface area and total surface area of right circular cylinder and volume of right circular cylinder. So we see many container and water tank in our surrounding. हम अपने आसपास बहुत सारे tanks, water tanks और container देखते हैं. To find the capacity of these container, we find their volume. Means कितना उसमें water आ सकता है. For that we have to find the volume. That we will learn in this chapter. Start with the introduction. So we have learned to find out the area of the plane rectilinear figures such as triangle, quadrilateral, rectangle, square, etc. In this chapter, we will learn to find the surface area and volume of the solid shape. Surface area of the cuboid and cube. Surface area of solid shape means the area of its faces, such as the surface area of cuboid is equal to the sum of area of its 6 faces. Let's consider the cuboid whose dimension is L, B and H. Length L है, breadth B है and height is H. So the area of base की अगर बात करें, so that is equals to area of top. L into B हो जाएगा base में. Area of back side that is equals to length into height. अगर हम back side की बात करें तो उसमें क्या क्या include होगा, length और height. Area of left face that is equals to area of right face that is equals to B into H. So the opposite faces are cuboids are equal. So area of 6 faces क्या हो जाएगा, 2 into L into B plus L into H plus B into H. So total जो area हो जाएगा surface area that is equals to 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Since all the dimension cube are same, cube में क्या होता है, सारी dimension same होती है, length, breadth, height, L into B into H equals to A. So total surface area of cuboid. यहाँ हम total surface area निकाल रहे हैं cube का, because cube में equal होता है cuboid का, हो जाएगा 2 into B plus B into H into L. But in cube, that is equals to 2 into A square plus A square plus A square. That is equals to 6A square. Next, lateral surface area means the area of 4 vertical sides. Means जो 4 side का area होगा, that is the lateral surface area, excluding the area of top and base. उसमें हम top और base के area को include नहीं करेंगे. So lateral surface area of the cuboid that is equals to 2 into H into L plus B into H. That is equals to 2 into H common ले लेंगे, L plus B. Lateral surface area of cube की बात करें तो 4 into side square, 4A square. So cuboid का हो जाएगा 2 into H multiplied by L plus B, and that is cube 4A square. Lateral surface area is also called the surface area of 4 walls. Lateral surface area को हम क्या कहते हैं, area of 4 walls, because 4 sides का होता है. Clear? Next, list of some important formulas. Total surface area of cuboid that is equals to 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Lateral surface area of cuboid or area of 4 walls that is equals to 2 into H multiplied by L plus B. Total surface area of cube 6 into side square. Lateral surface area 6 into side square. Length of diagonals of the cuboid that is equals to root L square plus B square plus H square. Length of diagonals of the cube that is equals to A root 3. The unit of surface area is square unit or unit square. Now we'll take an example here. Find the total surface area of box whose length, breadth and height are given. जो कि 24 cm, 20 cm and 10 cm. So we have to find the total surface area. Box total surface area क्या हो जाएगा, length, breadth and height given है, that means cuboid shape है. Total surface area आएगा 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. So put the respective value and that is equals to 1840 centimeter square. That is the total surface area. Practice all the examples. ये सारे examples आपको practice करने हैं. It will help you to understand the concept better. Next is evolution time 13.1. Find the total surface area and lateral surface area of room whose dimensions are 10 meter, 8 meter and 6 meter. So आपको length, breadth and height दे रखी है. Total surface area that is equals to 2 into L into B plus B into H plus h into L. So that is equals to 2 into L into B हो जाएगा 10 into 8 that is 80, B into H हो जाएगा 8 into 6 that is 48 and H L into H that is equals to 6 into 10 that is 60. So that is equals to 2 into that is 8 376 centimeter square because meter में हमें given है. Now lateral surface area that is equals to 2 into HL plus B. So 2 into 6 and 10 plus 8 हो जाएगा 18. 36 into 6 216 meters square. That is the lateral surface area. Clear? So practice all the questions. Next is volume of cuboid and cube. Solid shape occupies space. This space is called the volume. Means कितना space occupy करता है, that is volume. So the volume is the amount of space that the shape taken up in 3 dimensions. The capacity of container is the amount of space inside it. Means the amount or liquid of a container can hold, that is its capacity. Important formulas. Volume of the cuboid, the length into breadth into height, V equals to L into B into H. Volume of cube, that is equals to side cube. Important conversion of units. 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter, 1 liter equals to 1000 centimeter cube, 1 milliliter equals to 1 centimeter cube, 1 meter cube equals to 1 kiloliter and 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liter. So ये जो यूनिट्स हैं हमें काम आएगी कन्वर्जन करने में टू कन्वर्ट वन यूनिट इनटू अनदर. नेक्स्ट विल टेक एन एग्जांपल. Calculate the volume of the box whose length, breadth and height are 18 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So we have to calculate the volume. Volume equals to हो जाएगा L into B into H, that is 18 into 15 into 10, that is 2700 centimeter cube. Volume को हम cube unit में express करेंगे. So 2700 centimeter cube. Practice all the examples. ये सारे examples आपको practice करने हैं. Next is evaluation time 13.2. Find the volume of a cube whose total surface area is 1600 centimeter cube. So total surface area of cube is 6a square. Here it's 600 equals to 6a square. So a equals to क्या हो जाएगा? That is equals to 10. Clear? हमने क्या किया? A square equals to हो जाएगा 600 upon 6, that is equals to 100 and A हो जाएगा root 100, that is equals to 10 centimeter. Now we have to find the volume. Volume होता है A cube. That means 10 into 10 into 10. That is 1000 centimeter cube. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is surface area and volume of the right circular cylinder. So we see many cylindrical objects around us like bottle है, circular pipes हैं, LPG cylinder है, all these are cylindrical shapes. There are two types of faces in the cylinder, curved face and plane face. This is the curved face and two plane faces. Clear? Next is curved surface area of right circular cylinder. So curved surface area, let us take the cylinder of radius r and height जो है h है, तो circumference क्या हो जाएगी 2 pi r. बेस की जो circumference हो जाएगी वो क्या हो जाएगी 2 pi r. Now अगर हम इसको vertically कट करें इस तरीके से, then वो क्या हो जाएगा flat हो जाएगा and it would look something like this. It look like a rectangle. Now the circumference of cylinder is just equal to the length of the rectangle. Clear? That height as the breadth of it. So area of rectangle क्या हो जाएगा length into breadth. So 2 pi r into h. So 2 pi r h. Since the surface of the rectangle is किसके equal था? जो circumference था. Clear? So curved surface area क्या हो जाएगा cylinder का 2 pi r h. नेक्स्ट टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर. अभी हमने कर्व सरफेस एरिया किया था, नाउ टोटल सरफेस एरिया. टोटल सरफेस एरिया मीन्स कर्व सरफेस और जो दो प्लेन सरफेस है उनको मिला के. Area of right circular cylinder means the curved surface area and cylinder and the area of both plane circular ends. So the total surface area of cylinder क्या हो जाएगा, curved surface area plus area of both plane circular end. 2 pi RH curve वाला हो जाएगा plus 2 into pi r square. That is equals to 2 pi r h plus r. Total surface area. Next is volume of right circular cylinder. Volume of right circular cylinder, that is area of one circular end into height. That is equals to pi r square h. ये हो जाएगा वॉल्यूम. द यूनिट ऑफ वॉल्यूम इज क्यूबिक यूनिट. क्यूबिक यूनिट पे लिखेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूलाज. कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर दैट इज 2 pi r h. टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर क्या हो जाएगा, 2 pi r h plus r. वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर pi r square h. वॉल्यूम ऑफ द मटीरियल ऑफ द होलो सिलेंडर, अंदर से होलो है, खाली है. That is equals to external volume minus internal volume, that is pi r square, because हमने जो external volume वो radius लिए, that is capital R and internal is small r. So pi r square h minus pi r square h, that is equals to pi h r square minus r square. Now I'll take an example here. Find the volume of the curved surface area of the cylinder whose base radius is 14 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. Base radius हमें given है and height given है. वॉल्यूम क्या होता है, पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. सो पाई हेयर वी हैव टेकन एज 22/7. आर हो जाएगा 14 का स्क्वायर इंटू एच, दैट इज 10. सो दैट इज इक्वल टू 6160 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. दैट इज द वॉल्यूम. एंड नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द कर्व सरफेस एरिया, दैट इज 2 pi r h. 2 इंटू 22/7 इंटू 14 इंटू 10, दैट इज 880 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो इस तरीके से हम वॉल्यूम एंड कर्व सरफेस एरिया फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Practice all the examples. ये सारे examples आपको practice करने हैं. Next is evolution time 13.3. Find the volume and curved surface area of cylinder whose base radius is 14 centimeter and height is 20. Radius 14 centimeter and height 20 centimeter. We have to find the volume. Pi r square h. Pi will take as 22/7. R का square यानी 14 into 14 into h is 20. So 44 into 14 into 20. That is equals to. Now unit हो जाएगी centimeter cube. That is the volume. Now we have to find the curved surface area. That is equals to 2 pi r h. 2 into 22/7. R is given here 14 and h is 20. 22 into 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So that is equals to 1760 centimeter square. That is the curved surface area. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is look back. Lateral surface area of the cuboid, that is equals to 2 into h into L plus B. Area of 4 walls, that is equals to 2 to h into L plus B. Total surface area of cuboid 2 into L into B plus B into h plus h into L. Lateral surface area of cube हो जाएगा 4 into side square. Total surface area of cube 6 into side square. Volume of cuboid L into B into h. Volume of cube, that is side cube. Curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi r h. Total surface area of cylinder 2 pi r h plus r. And volume of cylinder pi r square h. Next is, let's recall. So practice all the questions given here. Next is Mantle's zone. The unit of area is square unit, or we can write unit square. Next is multiple choice questions. Tick the correct option. The curved surface area of right circular cylinder is calculated by curved surface area 2 pi r h. So A is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand the chapter well. Now to practice it.